proteins and the coronavirus related?
Great question. So COVID-19 is a type of coronavirus, and viruses can give people or other animals disease or some sort of illness. And these virus particles can come into us in our eyes, our noses, or our mouths, which is why we all have to be so careful to wash our hands, to wear our masks, and to stay home when we're sick, because we can't see these virus particles. Only scientists with super special microscopes are able to see these viruses. And these viruses, when the scientists were able to look at them, they noticed they looked a little something like this. So there was a ball in the middle, and then there was these little bumps. And these little bumps on it are all proteins. And these proteins, when they zoomed in on them, each of these little bumps ended up looking almost like a crown. And in Latin, the word for crown is corona, which is how coronavirus got its name.